Hello, fantastic St. Leo Lions. Dr. Stan Reeley here, and welcome to our class. This is MBA 525, and it's called Professional Development. And I want to congratulate each of you for being in the MBA program and for working toward earning your MBA. And that's quite an achievement. And again, congratulations. Only a small percent of the U.S. population has the degree that you are earning. I think it's somewhere between 9 and 11%. So you are in a small but very select group of people in our country working on this degree. I won't take up much of your time, but I did want to say hello. And it's a great pleasure to be working with each of you. I'm going to consider myself a facilitator uh, with regard to our time together. We are going to be colleagues as we work through the material. And with that said, this particular class is very important because it introduces you to many of the um, different types of exercises and assignments and processes that you will be working on as you work toward earning the degree. So in this brief specific overview of our course, I wanted to talk with you about what we'll be doing together and the fact that it's going to be a huge giant step forward in learning all of the different types of things that you will need to know. So really with that said, I have to put on my glasses, my reading glasses. Oh, there's a reflection. All right, so what we're going to be doing together is a busy class. And what we'll be doing is working on taking journal articles and looking at them and analyzing them and uh, culling through the particulars, the very important aspects of the journal articles. And you will then take that information and put it as bullet points into a creative but professional PowerPoint presentation where you will narrate what I am seeing on the slides. So just make sure that you read the instructions carefully, go through the course shell thoroughly, read all of the modules and all of the module information, and make sure that you know exactly what you're doing so that your score will be 100%. All right. So I love putting an A beside your name in the grade book. So all of you have A's right now. So let's keep those A's. So I mentioned the journal articles. And the fact that again you will read the article, you'll convert that into a PowerPoint presentation, and you will using the audio function narrate what I'm looking at. So that should be fun, right? Fun stuff. Um, you will also be doing some writing assignments. You will also be completing two exams, a midterm and a final exam. And you will also be writing, and this is really the big assignment in the course, and this is where you will actually develop a literature review. Now, a literature review is not complicated, but it's tedious work in that you will need to gather together articles, peer-reviewed articles from sources, and write on a topic that you select that you will share with me, um, and more extensive research on that topic using those sources and weaving into the assignment your own perspectives. All right. So, in other words, you will segment it into sections. And for each section from that topic, you will use those journal articles to support your topic. And again, this is a really fun exercise. Whenever you do this kind of thing, it should be to the point of being practically published type work, or could be published, because it's the kind of research where you are pulling from this and pulling from that, and again, like I said, weaving together all of the information into a cohesive and very clear um, overview of what your topic is about. All right. So this literature review is just that. You're reviewing literature and then you're putting it together with your perspectives on that topic. Again, any topic that you choose, but again, let me know what it is. And that way it will all be, it'll all come together and it will be something that you will be proud of and something that you will be able to perhaps use in either a future class, or again, if you want to add to it and later on, maybe we can get together and we'll come up with ways to get it out there into the academic marketplace where others can benefit from your research as well. So just keep that in mind as you're writing. Write as a scholar, write as a researcher, so that it is something that it could be published. All right, and then you'll have an opportunity to assess the course, and this will be a Peregrine type of a quote exam where you will provide the feedback from the course itself. So all of this is paced really nicely through the 8 weeks that we're working together. So please don't get overwhelmed. This is graduate level work. And because that's what you are. This is graduate school. And what I say to students like you is that if the MBA was easy, everybody would have one, right? So it is going to require work and time. So make sure that you set aside enough time to complete your work and make it your very best work, so that when you submit it to me, again, I can gladly provide the well-deserved grade. Again, 3 journal articles that are PowerPoint narrated by you, a writing assignment or two, 2 exams, that big literature review, kind of a capstone to the class, that you will be writing, and then the assessment itself. With regard to that literature review exercise, I always recommend starting out using an outline format, and that way you can already have set up what you want to cover, so that it all kind of flows from one to the next to the next to the next, still on the same topic, but as you shift and change directions a bit on the topic and bring out different points, you segment it out using subheaders, so that if the reader, which will be me in this case, until it's published, right, flows together nicely. Again, it sounds like a lot of work, but again, pace yourself throughout the term. Don't feel overwhelmed. You're going to do great, I promise you. And I'm here for you. If you have questions, comments, or concerns, just make sure that you reach out to me by email first. That always works best. You can always text me. You can always call me if you're stuck on something, and I'm happy to provide you with feedback intermittently. All right. I'm going to be also holding a live chat with you in week 3 so that we can, it's not required, but if you can be there, it would be beneficial for you. I promise you, because we can talk through in real time the course and any particulars about it, or any questions that you might have up to that point, or looking forward. I can answer questions as to what you will be doing in the future weeks. So it's all going to go really well, and I'm very, very excited to get started with this and to work with you on this very important beginning course for your MBA degree. So again, thank you for this opportunity to work together. Again, congratulations on making the very difficult decision to commit to earning this degree, because I know it's going to be it's a long road, but one that you are definitely going to be able to complete with success, and it's going to lead to whatever comes next, and that will be good, because the MBA will be something that looks great on your resume, and is something that will help you to advance ahead in the hierarchy of your business or any other organization where you currently work or where you hope to work one day. All right, well, enough said. I hope I covered the generalities of what we'll be discussing and doing in our course. And again, let me just say that your success is my reward, and I want you to be successful. And you will need to commit and to realize that, as I said, the MBA is a huge step forward, and something that I know that you'll be proud to have once you're completed, and it will work for you as you advance, as I said, in career and in life. All right. Thanks again. Take care. I'll see you in our class and in our discussion forums, because those discussion forums are really important, because that's when we all are interacting with each other. So let's take advantage of this rare opportunity to work with others, your peers, to celebrate our diversity and to share our experiences with each other. And that's it. Take care, and see you on the boards and see you in class. Take care.